Hey, to connect Battlenet to Twitch, all you have to do is just to click on your account in the right upper corner and open account settings. Now you'll be moved into the official Battlenet website. If you are already logged in, you can just go forward and follow my steps, but if you are not logged in, you will have to actually add your account, the same account that you are actually using on this Battlenet application. Next, go into the connections. From here, scroll and go into the Twitch. Click on the connect, and now as you can see, we've got information that there will be a 7-day cooldown before we can connect a new Twitch account. So just keep in mind to connect your specific Twitch account. And now we'll have to click continue. And as you can see from this, we'll have to simply log in into our current Twitch account and simply follow on-screen instructions until we will be successfully connected. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.